If you are a business owner who is sending emails to their list, or you're an agency owner who's managing emails for their clients, you need to watch this video because I'm gonna go over the worst mistakes that every email marketer is doing right now that is causing your email list to cripple. It's causing your emails to go to promo. It's causing your emails to go to spam. And it's also causing you to make less money from your email marketing. If you're not making at least 20% extra every single month from your email list, then you're not doing it correctly. So make sure you stick around, like this video, comment down below any questions you have about your email list and what you're currently doing, and subscribe if you're new because more videos like this are gonna come out. So the number one mistake and objection that I get from business owners when we do their email marketing is this: why are you not putting graphics in the email? And this is the most important thing that people don't understand, is that you look at companies like Walmart, Target, all these big corporations, they're putting graphics in their email, so you think you need to as well. And I'm here to tell you that that is the worst thing you could possibly do when you're first starting off an email list. When you put graphics in your email, it's causing the file size of that email to be larger, which makes it harder to load, which makes it go to spam sometimes, and even the promotions tab in Gmail, okay? Because I would say probably over 75% of emails are gonna be Gmail. So you don't want, obviously, a lot of those going to the Gmail promo tab because no one checks that, okay? And they can also go to spam. When you're putting graphics in your email, you're not really doing anything, because a lot of people try to like sell with the graphic and it's cute and it's cool and it does your brand messaging, but like no one actually cares. It's all about direct response. You need to do it with storytelling. All of the emails that we write for our clients are all text, okay? No pictures, no like crazy graphics from Canva. It's only through, storytelling. We're writing good sales copy and good short form copy to sell the product. We're not putting this little cute princess graphic in the email and having you click on it, because ultimately it's gonna ruin the reputation and deliverability of your email list. So if you're doing graphics right now, I want you to focus more on the copy, on the storytelling, selling on emotional triggers, not just the graphic, because to be quite honest with you, curiosity sells more in an email than anything. The point of emails is to sell the click, not to really sell the product. The product is sold through curiosity and storytelling. So if I'm writing an email, for some type of hoodie, right? And there's like a certain icon or graphic on the hoodie, I'm gonna write a story about how I came up with this graphic. And then, how, this person recently bought it and they liked it. And then I'm just gonna have a simple, and this is, hey, click here to see the hoodie. I'm not gonna show it because the curiosity of them wanting to see the graphic is gonna drive more clicks. If you just give it up all right now, there's no curiosity in it. You're just giving them the whole picture now. So understand that is the worst mistake that I see people right now, is putting graphics and all this crazy crap in their emails, and they think it's gonna sell more when it's not. The second mistake I see people doing is buying emails from third parties and blasting those emails with domain represented email addresses. If you're a business who wants to get more emails, your worst thing that you could do right now is like burning and churning email lists. Does it make money in the short term? Yes, but you gotta keep churning and burning domains and using new IPs. You need to build an email list of people that wanna be in your ecosystem, not in someone else's ecosystem. You need to build a real asset. Because if you wanna sell the business one day, they're gonna ask you like, hey, what is the revenue coming from your email list? Are you emailing people? Do they have a high LTV? Do they have a high AOV? And if you can't give an investor, an angel investor, those kind of assets, they're not gonna buy your company, okay? They want to have an email list that is strictly just people from you. It's all compliant. They've accepted terms and conditions. Also, they're gonna want an SMS list of people who've accepted with compliance to be on their SMS list. Those are real assets that you can sell later on down the road that are gonna be massive amounts of money for you. The third thing that I see is not having the right automations and flows set up. Every single email list that we run, they get a welcome series, which is if anybody becomes a lead or a buyer, they get a series of emails, probably about 5 to 7. Some welcome sequences could be 14 emails for 14 days straight where we're introducing new products. We're getting them to follow us on Instagram. They're, opting in for some VIP club. We're trying to sell them a subscription. We're trying to sell a booked call. Like, once they become a buyer, the most excited part of their journey is right now. We need to sell them more things over these next 7 to 14 days to increase the LTV. Because if you're breaking even on your ad spend, the way you make money is by emailing and doing SMS after they become a buyer, upselling them things that are congruent, or what your audience is usually buying after they purchase that first front-end product. The other flow or automation is going to be, abandoned carts. How do we recover people who are either no-shows on a booked call, or maybe showed up for a call and maybe didn't buy, or they added a product to their store and they didn't wind up buying? Having the ability to recover more people who have left the ecosystem and haven't become that impulse person that you want, bringing them back into the ecosystem is a huge automation that you need to have in place. The third one is customer win back. Is if a customer's bought from you and maybe weeks down the road, you're looking to get them as a customer again. How do we win back that customer again to get them to buy something else? It's been a long time. Maybe there's something new, a new product release that you're doing. Hitting those people with that is going to be a massive amount of revenue for you as well. Another one is browse abandonment. All of the people who are clicking your emails, who are inside your email marketing ecosystem right now, who are clicking emails, going to landing pages, but aren't really buying or taking action. Having a browse abandonment sequence to then pull those people back in and say, hey, listen, I saw you click this email, you wanted this offer, but you left. Maybe you're busy, maybe your kids are running around the house, maybe you're in traffic, whatever the case may be, come back, use this code, and take action right now. Those are the most important ones. And then the fifth one is daily emails. This is the fourth mistake that I see. Business owners right now are afraid to send daily emails to their list because they think that you're going to piss people off. You think that you're going to bother your customers. You think that you're going to lose customers. They're going to want refunds. They're going to do chargebacks. I'm here to tell you that we have a client right now who is doing about maybe $500,000 a month from email alone, and we're sending 4 emails a day. 4 emails a day to their list. If you subscribe to Walmart, Target, all these big corporations, they are sending at least 5 to 10 emails a day. If you subscribe to IKEA, they're sending 5 to 10 emails a day. They are blasting you because why? The more emails they send, the more money they make, okay? And if you're afraid of people unsubscribing, this is why you should not care about people unsubscribing. If someone's getting an email from your business or brand and they care that much about you unsubscribing, or you care enough about them unsubscribing, they weren't gonna buy shit anyway. Who cares? Get them out. You don't want people who are not gonna help your open rates, your click-through rates to be on your email list. Because at the end of the day, if they're not opening and buying, then why are they on the list anyway? And that brings me to the last mistake, which is segmentation. If you are not segmenting your emails correctly through the customer journey, through that product ladder that you have in your business, you're going to be losing customers as you send emails. So segmenting people who have last engaged in the last 14 days, people who have, last engaged in the last 30, people who have clicked and bought from this email campaign. How do you take people who bought from this email campaign and throw them into this automation and do cross-selling? Being able to segment them and know where they stand in the sales process is going to be huge for you making more money from email. If you take these exact tips that I gave you today, you're going to make an extra 20%, 30% every single month from your email list. I don't care how many emails you have, as long as you have at least, 1,000 emails, this will work for you. So if you also want me and my team to run your email list for you, there's gonna be a link down below in the description, a Calendly link where you can book a call, me and my team in these next 24 hours, and we will handle everything for you, the daily emails, the flows, the automations, the whole 9 yards to make an extra 20% or more monthly from your email list. And if that is you, just click that link down below, book a call. And thanks again for joining me on today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.